Hello students, good morning to one and all. See, in last class we have learned about what is an equation. In that, what is a linear equation. Again, in that, what is a simple equation we learned. And the general form means standard form of the simple equation also we learned. What is simple equations or simple linear equations? Both are same only. Simple equation means a linear equation which contains only one variable is called simple linear equation or simple equation. A linear equation which contains only one variable is called simple equation or simple linear equation. Simple linear equation. Okay. The general form or standard form of the simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0. This is in this one a and b are any real coefficients and a is not equal to 0. This is called as a standard form of the simple equation or general form of the simple equation. In this one, this is equality. Equality say left side is called as a LHS, left hand side, and equality is right side. Whatever it contains, that is called as a right hand side term. Left hand side and right hand side. Understood? Now, example of is 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. In this one, what is left hand side? Left hand side is 2x plus 7. And what is right hand side? Right hand side is equal to 13. Right hand side is equal to 13. Left hand side part is 2x plus 7. Right hand side part is 13. Okay. What is an equation? What is that one? Equation you learn. What is a simple equation? An equation which contains only one variable is called as a simple equation. Okay. Linear equation. Keep it in mind. A linear equation which contains only one variable. Keep it in mind. Wherever I use the equation means here linear equations only because our topic is simple equation. A linear equation which contains only one variable is called simple equation or simple linear equation. The general form or standard form of the equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. In this one, this ax plus b is called as a left hand side. Equal to left side is no, so that is the left hand side. Equal to right side is 0 is there, so 0 is called as right hand side. So, example is 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. In this 2x plus 7 is equal to 13, LHS is 2x plus 7 and RHS is equal to 13. Okay. Now, x plus 5 is equal to 11. What is left hand side? X plus 5. What is right hand side? 11. Now, see here, a value which replace the variable, a value which is replaced by this variable. This variable is replaced by a value, any value. The value which is replaced in the place of variable, a value, whatever the value substitute in the place of variable, which satisfies the equation, means left hand side and right hand side are equal. That value is called as a solution of the equation. That value is called as a solution of the equation. Any value of the variable, which satisfies the equation. Satisfaction means left hand side, when you substitute that value in the place of variable, then which satisfies the left hand side and right hand side are satisfies same are equal, which satisfies this equation, that value is called as a solution of the equation. That value is called as a solution of the equation. Now, if I write in the place of x 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 means 11 is equal to 11. Is it correct? Left hand side and right hand side you got the same result or not? So when you got the same result, when you substituted x with 6, you got the same result. So this this 6 is called the solution of this equation. This 6 is called the solution of this simple equation. A simple equation has a unique solution. There exists only one solution. A simple linear equation has a unique solution. You don't get any more solutions. Only one solution. Except the 6, no other value makes this condition true. No other value of x other than 6 makes this condition true. This equation true. So it has a only one solution. Understood? The general form of the linear equation is, or simple equation is, ax plus b is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. In that, the value which replaces the x with the value, a value which is substituted in the place of variable, and it makes the condition equation true. Equation true means left side and right side you will get the same result. That is called as a solution of the equation. Here 6 is the solution of the equation. Am I clear? Already general form I gave. General form of the or standard form of the simple equation. Standard form of simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. Example, where a is not equal to 0. Keep it in mind that always, don't forget it. Simple equation is in this one, left hand side is equal to left side is the left hand side, equal to right side is the right hand side part. Okay, this is standard form of the equation, simple equation. Any value which is replaced in the place of variable and it makes the condition true, that is called as a solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Okay, solution of the equation means left side and right side should be same. So this already in previous also I gave. So what is the solution? Any value of the variable, any value of the variable which makes when substituted in an variable, in an any value of the variable which when substituted in an equation, because already variable only no, in an equation. Any value of the variable which when substituted in an equation makes true. Any value of the variable which when substituted in an equation makes its LHS is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS is called the solution of the equation. It is called the solution of the equation. In sometimes they use word root also. Okay, any value of the variable which when substituted in an equation makes its LHS and RHS are equal is called the solution or root of the equation. Root of the equation. Okay, now a simple equation has a unique solution. In a simple equation, there exists unique solution. A simple equation, in a simple equation there exists a unique solution. There exists a unique solution. Only one solution you get. Okay. What is general form of the simple equation? The general form of the simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. In that, what is variable x? Any value of the variable which when substituted in an equation makes its LHS and RHS true. LHS and RHS are equal. Is called the solution or root of the equation. In a simple equation, there exists only one solution. There exists only one solution. That is a unique solution. Example: x plus 3 is equal to 5. What is the value here? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, 2 is the solution of x plus 3 is equal to 5. Two is the solution of x plus 3 is equal to 5. Example, write down that. In a simple equation, there exists a unique solution. Other than 2, no value satisfies this equation here except 2. Okay, so only one possibility, that is a 2 only. So only we call it as a, there exists a unique solution. There exists a unique solution. Okay, now to find out this solution we have a different methods, different simplifications here. What we have to do, all those things. How to find out the solution we learn now. By trial and error method and transposition method. Trial and error method I am not discussing here, but it's because it is a lengthy process. Only we learn about the transposition to find out the solution of the equation. To find out the solution of the equation, simple equation, we are going to learn about the transposition method process. What is the transposition? Before the transposition, I'll give the condition here. Example is 2x is equal to 6. This is a simple equation. If I add 2x plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 3, both sides, then only this equation will be balanced. Means in any equation, while solving to make the equation without changing, to balance that equation, either you may add same constant value on either sides, or subtract divide. Those are the rules of the rules for solving the equation. Equation means here we are discussing about only simple equations. What is that one? Same number or a constant. Okay, same number can be added at both sides of the equation. Same number can be added to both sides of equation. Again, same number can be subtracted. Same number can be subtracted. Both sides of equation. Same number can be multiplied. Can be multiplied by same number can be multiplied. Same number means here non-zero number. Same number other than zero. Same number can be multiplied to both sides of equation. Next one is here. Both sides of the equation can be divided with the same number. Both sides of equation can be divided by the same non-zero number. Write this one. While solving, you need to keep it in mind. This one, same number can be added to both sides of the equation. Same number can be subtracted both sides of the equation, and same number can be multiplied to both sides of the equation, and both sides of the equation can be divided by the same non-zero number only. Non-zero number only will divide, because in denominator 0 means we can't define. Okay, first write this one. Next, transposition. What is meant by transposition? Transposition means suppose 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 means any term of the equation may be taken to the other side with the change of sign. With the sign changed, that process is called transposition. That process is called transposition. Okay. Any term of the equation may be taken to other side. Any term of the equation taken to other side in while solving the problem. Any term of the equation taken to other side with the change of sign. With the sign changed, this process is called transposition. Transposing. Okay. Write this point. Any term of the equation term of an equation may be taken to the other side with the sign change. With the sign change. This process is called transposition. Okay. Any term of an equation may be taken to other side with the sign change. This process is called transposition. Okay. This transposition mainly will use to solve the problem. To find out the solution of the simple equation, we use this transposition. Okay. Understood? Any term of an equation may be taken to the other side with the sign change. This process is called transposition. This process is called transposition. Is it clear? So, why we use this transposition? To solve any linear equation, simple equation, we use the transposition method. So, while solving the problems, we use this one. Okay? So, how to solve all those things we learn in next video. Thank you. Thank you.